In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track billable versus non-billable hours in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Reports. This is where Clio Manage gives you access to reporting tools that help you understand time, productivity, and overall performance. From the Reports area, open the User Productivity Report. This report is especially useful because it helps you compare how time is being recorded, including whether hours are marked as billable or non-billable. If you're reviewing time for your team or checking your own productivity, this is a great place to start. Next, click Filters. Here, choose the date range you want to review. For example, you might want to look at this week, this month, or a custom period. You can also apply additional criteria, such as a specific user or matter, depending on how narrow or broad you want your analysis to be. Setting the right filters early will make the report much more useful and easier to interpret. After that, verify that the report includes both the billable hours and non-billable hours columns. If either column is missing, open columns and add it in. This is an important step because the report needs to display both values clearly if you want an accurate side-by-side comparison. Once those columns are visible, review the summary section. This area gives you a quick snapshot of the total billable and non-billable hours for the period you selected. It's helpful when you want a high-level overview without digging through every individual entry. Then, move down to the detailed table. This section lets you see the actual breakdown of billable and non-billable hours by user, matter, or whatever grouping is currently applied. If you need more insight, this table is where patterns usually become easier to spot. If you want to analyze the data differently, adjust the report using groups or add more filters. For example, you can organize the information by attorney, client, or practice area. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to understand where non-billable time is accumulating or which areas are generating the most billable work. When you're done, click Export to download the report. If you plan to use the same setup again, click Save Report View to keep your customized layout for future use. That can save time and make recurring reviews more efficient. Thanks for watching.